Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So this video will be on how to get your eyebrows perfect. I love perfect eyebrows. If anything else on your face is not perfect, please make sure your eyebrows are perfect. And also in this video I'm going to show you exactly what products I use for my eyebrows. I'm so excited. Your girl finally got her camera. The quality of every video from now on will be so much better. Like, you don't understand the pain I was going through with those crappy quality videos that I uploaded before. But I'm not gonna wrap y'all up. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down there. Let's get right into the video. We're just gonna brush the hairs. I'm kind of looking in my mirror to the side, so we're just gonna brush the hairs. Don't mind my face, is like going through a phase right now. But yeah, we're just gonna brush the hairs in its direction that it flows. Taking my NYX eyebrow gel cream, and this is in the color Espresso. And I'm going to be using this small brush just to give it a more defined look. Starting with the bottom, I'm going to go at an angle going up, following my normal eyebrow shape in the upward direction. You can drag it, or you can also like do like that. End of my eyebrow, like that. So you just outline it for now, and then you're going to take the same amount that you did for the first line underneath, and you're just going to fill that in at the top also. Just draw a line like that. Normally if you like raise your eyebrow, then you'll see exactly like where your arch is supposed to be. So you want to bring that line up at an angle. And then you want to bring it back down to the tail of the eyebrow to meet up with the rest of it, like that. Bam. And then now you just want to take a little bit and just fill it in. See all those missing spots? You just want to take that and fill it in. Just like that. You see how that comes together? Just like that. Fill that all the way in. And I'm looking up because I'm looking at my screen. Just leave the front alone for now. So you just want to take your spoolie and you just want to just brush that up so everything can just go in smoothly and look smooth and as one. And if you need to go back in, it's okay. Whatever's left on your brush, you want to just fill it in, just like you're drawing hairs in, like follow your eyebrow form. You want to brush that upwards like that. Make it look like eyebrow hairs, and then you just want to fade that in. Fade that in just like that. That looks perfect. I'm gonna just zoom in a little more, just like that. And if you're okay with that shape and how everything's look, we're gonna take our concealer, and the brush I'm using is just gonna take my Fenty Beauty on the shade 310. I'm going to use that instead of concealer. I normally start at the back, right where my eyebrow bone is. So I start right there. I outline the tail of my eyebrow. Just like that. And I bring it down. Just like that. And then I'm going gonna take a little bit more, and then I'm gonna start at the beginning of my eyebrow. Go in the upward motion, following my eyebrow line and shape. Just bring that down, and then continue to follow it. Try not to put too much because liquid can definitely be messy. So just bring that on. And just to clean it up, I'm gonna do it one more time. Just like that. And taking my, it's a different type of concealer brush, just to blend out my, you know, in this case, my concealer. Just like that. And you're just going to do the same exact thing you did at the bottom for the top. And I'm gonna just start, but at the top, I'm just gonna start in the beginning. And you just want to outline that. Just gonna blend all of that in. And what I can say is Fenty definitely dries quick, so you gotta move fast when you use Fenty. So that's perfect. Okay, and now for the beginning, taking what's left on my concealer brush, I'm just going to slightly fade this. So I'm just gonna go at a, bringing that out. Bringing that, going against my eyebrow. Lightly fading that in. Take your spoolie again, and then you want to just brush it up and back. So look at the difference. That looks super different, doesn't it? Like, now for this side, you're just gonna do the same thing you did for this eyebrow to the second one. Alright, so just finishing this up to get this right here front. You just want to add the rest of your concealer right there and brush everything out, smoothing so everything can be smooth. Thank you all for watching. I really do hope this video helps a lot. I hope you got a lot of this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to our channel and turn your notification bell on. First one to be notified for when we upload videos. Yeah, we're definitely growing, and we hope you all are continuously supporting us and being a part of our little union. We have so many surprises coming up for y'all. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, which is Khadija and Ray with 1_, and we love you all so much. See you next time. Bye.